Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. Today we're going to learn how to mix sounds on TikTok. So this is quite simple. First of all, you must go to your TikTok account. There are two ways to do that, okay? So let's suppose that I really liked this audio, I don't know, this one. And to the right, you have several options, the like, the comments to save that. And at the bottom, there is like a CD that is spinning and spinning. That's the button to use that audio, okay? The sound. So at the bottom, you have a red that says use this sound. And obviously, you're going to create some content. And if you start recording, this audio is going to begin to sound, okay? Even with the screen on top of it, and that's it. So that's the first step, to record yourself and use that audio. If I go on with this process, on top of it, I have the audio and I have in the right menu different options. If I tap on the down arrow, I'm going to expand these options and there's an option that says volume. Here I have my original sound and my added sound. Because I started to create this TikTok with the sound, with the added sound, I had not recorded anything with my original sound. But obviously, if you start creating a new TikTok with any sound and then you add some sound, some music, you're gonna be able to change the volume of those two tracks, okay? So that's how you can mix sounds on TikTok.